Hello everyone and welcome back to Italy. I am Danilo Romolini and today we are in the Marche region, a beautiful location on the east side of our country, touching the Adriatic Sea and offering an incredible blend of features like the rolling hills, the seaside, several charming hilltop towns to discover, and I must say it is a region that has lots to offer and is still quite undiscovered by many of our international clients, a true hidden gem. Today we are about to visit a spectacular holiday home immersed in a breathtaking landscape. Are you ready to see it? Let's begin the tour. Come with me. One of the aspects that I love the most about this home is that if you look at it from a drone shot, but even as you drive in, you realize how it's like an island with its own oasis in the middle of this incredible landscape. The property, even though it is fully private and immersed in nature, it's still very close to the towns with services. In fact, it's just 4-minute drive to the closest towns like Mondavio, Corinaldo and Marotta, and also the cities of Senigallia, Fano and Pesaro, which are respectively 20 to about 30-minute drive from the villa. From the top of the driveway you can even see the water in the distance. In fact, the seaside is just 13 kilometers drive away. In the property we are immersed in a 5,700 square meters private garden, which is completely surrounded by this beautiful hedge and cypress trees, where we also find this spectacular swimming pool. It is 12 by 6 meters in size, very comfortable, with a well-paved area all around with stone, and ideal to relax and soak up the sun. On the corner over there we also find a nice relaxing spot which is more shaded by the trees, and it's ideal to enjoy an aperitivo in the evening. The paved area keeps going with these broad steps that connect it to the upper terrace over here. As you look around, you notice several fruit trees, which are beautiful to have during the warmer months as it makes everything very colorful, and also this huge rosemary bush all on the backside. On the upper terrace, under the shade of this lush olive tree, we find a second sitting space. It is just beside a dining area over there, which is ideal to dine outside. Also, we are close to the access to the property, which inside, of course, has a ground floor kitchen that can serve all of these areas. The driveway leads to the backside of the villa with this spacious parking area. There are 2 designated car spots over here, and on this other side there is a sheltered area where you can fit another 2 to 3 cars. Welcome inside the villa. As you can see, it's been freshly renovated. It is 517 square meters, which equals to about 5,600 square feet, with 4 bedrooms and 3 bathrooms divided onto 3 levels. We are on the ground level, and as you enter from the main entrance over there, you find a reception space, which then accesses onto this dining area. From here, you immediately can notice the beautiful modern finishes. There is air conditioned and there is also underfloor heating, so completely modernized. Behind this column, I will show you also from the other side, there is a fireplace that is very cozy in the winter time and excellent to heat up the spaces as well. Let's see the kitchen on this floor. The kitchen is nice and spacious with this huge island in the center, very clean and polished. The extractor right on top of it, made out of stainless steel, and lots of working areas on this other side. This is all completely finished in stainless steel. There is lots of storage below and above, and on this side there is the oven. This is one of the two kitchens of the home because this floor can be used like an independent apartment for guests, or it's a comfortable kitchen to be used for the outside areas that are close by. In fact, just exiting this door, you will find an outdoor dining table. From the dining space, we pass through and get to the spacious sitting area. It is nice and bright with windows on two sides. Also here we have a sitting space on this side, over here, and the access to the outdoor area we've seen earlier. All of the windows have mosquito screens, which is excellent for the summertime. On the last corner of the living space, we access onto the comfortable office. This can be an office, but also can be repurposed as another room. It has an access onto the terrace and also the access to the lower level of the house with a spiral staircase, which can be accessed through that stair, but also externally. And there we find a nice home gym, a storage, and also a laundry. From the dining, passing through the entrance that I mentioned earlier, we access on this side to the ground floor bedroom with spacious ensuite bathroom. It is always great to have a ground floor bedroom, which is easy to access and very comfortable. On the first floor, we find this broad open space which connects a sitting area on this side, beautifully furnished with lots of colors, making this home very welcoming, and then transitions on the kitchen and dining area, which is nice and spacious as well. This huge table with 8 seatings. It is one long board of wood, and on this side we find the second kitchen. This is probably the kitchen that is used mostly on an everyday life, as it is on the main level with the primary bedroom. From here we also find an office corner and the access to the terrace of the home. This terrace is just ideal to enjoy a coffee in the morning, to have breakfast, but even for lunch or for dinner, or simply to soak up the sun and enjoy this fresh air, this beautiful view of the countryside, and all of this brickwork, which I must say looks incredible. This floor is incredibly bright. There are windows on 3 sides, and through these staircases, it leads to the upper level with the attic space. At the moment, it is used as a bedroom. It can also be a playroom for kids, or even a storage or office space. Right beside the living area, we access onto the bedroom section. We have 2 bedrooms at the moment, with the primary bedroom over here with its access to the terrace and lots of natural light. This one on this side is a single bedroom, which can also be used as an office space or as well as a wardrobe room for the primary. So you would have bedroom, wardrobe, and the ensuite bathroom over here. The bathroom is incredibly spacious with his and hers sinks, beautiful tiles all around, and this sense of modern and space. And here we are ending today's property tour. I hope you enjoyed this villa. I think it is ideal for someone that is in love with Italy, has visited all of the main destinations and locations, and now would like to find a region which is more unspoiled. It is less touristic and still offers all of the beautiful things that make Italy an incredible country. Marche has the incredible landscapes, the seaside, the food and the culture. This home is perfect for someone that would like either 2 apartments, maybe for another member of the family or for a friend, or would like to use the villa as a whole and have the lower kitchen serving all of the outdoor spaces. Let me know if you have any comment in the comment section below or any question, and please remember to subscribe to the Romolini channel for the best homes of Italy every week. Until next time, ciao!